In this video, I'm going to show you the updated method for getting a 30-day trial in Kartra in 2021. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and recently Kartra made a small change to the way you can get a 30-day trial. It's still possible, but I'm just going to show you the updated way for how to do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click the link in the description down below. That is my partner link, which will give you access to the 14-day trial. If you actually just go to Kartra.com, you don't get anything. You can just see get started. And when you click through to that, you can see it's just get started, no trials. But because you used my partner link, I can actually give you a 14-day trial, as you'll see here. Now, this is not the offer you want though. What you want to do instead to get the 30-day trial is very slowly navigate to the back button. Then if you do that correctly, you will get this offer to double your trial. So just click double my trial. I believe it only shows up once, so you want to take action. Now, if you clear your cache and cookies or maybe use an incognito window, maybe you can make it happen again. But if you get this offer, I think you should just go through with it, as the trial is only going to cost you $1. So the step that's changed here is that previously you had to go through the silver plan. And then from there, you could either upgrade or downgrade depending on the plan you actually wanted. But it was annoying because if you just wanted the starter plan, you had to go through the silver plan and then log in and change your plan. No additional cost or anything, but it was just annoying administratively. But now it's actually improved, so you can choose the plan you want to trial. If you wanted the unlimited features to start with, if you wanted more leads, or if you wanted just to do the starter, you can actually choose the plan you want to start a trial with, which is of course a better experience. So you just click on start trial for whichever plan you want. It'll pop up the whole menu here and you just go through the process. So that's it. Takes a couple of seconds to get that trial going. Is 30 days for $1, and the trial process is now improved, so you can actually get the plan you want the first time without changing it afterward. So if you found this video helpful, drop me a like. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want more Kartra content. I have a whole ton of Kartra videos, so check that out if you want to learn more about the tool and some tutorials as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.